So buddy comes to me and says his lamp ain't working. Beautiful little LED stand here and a 12 volt power supply. Put out 2 amps because the light don't come on no more. Well, the case pops apart real quick and his board isn't even held in there. It's just floating. And right away, hey, look, there's some evidence of some smoke being let out immediately. If that isn't just a simple diode, well, shoot, I don't know what is. Let's go to the parts bin and see what we can't find. Yep. There we go. Those look like that. Grab one of them. Alright. Back to the healing bench. Let's see what we can do. Now, I've said it before, I'll say it again. I'm no electrical engineer. Can somebody tell me why there's a light here and no hole for it? You see there's a little bit of plastic there for what's seeing this LED here to let you know you're on the right track with it being powered up and all. What do you suppose this little light's for? That's strange. Yeah, what do I know? And check out this sweet solder job. This chip isn't even sitting in, let alone anything written on it. That's gotta be some pretty low quality parts. Solder job's pretty shake too, isn't it? Oh well, it is what it is. Let's see if we can't get this diode off. There we go. Let's stick the multimeter on this guy. See what she tells us. Now, as you all know, of course, the little line indicates negative. In this case, that is to your right. You stick your multimeter to the diode setting, which actually produces a little more voltage for you, rather as the regular ohm measurement settings will put a very low voltage, which is not enough to conduct through a diode. You know, a little different than a resistor. 590. And the other way. Well, it still seems to be reading correctly. Who knows? It doesn't seem to be that burnt. But looking there, I see some burn marks, so don't judge me for assuming that's why she wasn't working. There you go, Robert's your mother's brother. Let's throw her back in the case, if only to prevent myself from getting electrocuted. God, what a piece of crap. I'd say I hope she didn't pay too much for it, but she said she did, so yeah. There you go. Alright, see what happens. Hey, there's a light on. Let's show. Never can really tell them diodes, eh? Alright. Now it's probably reverse polarity here, but who cares? Oh, shit. Fry the damn thing. $12 volts. Boom. Fixed. You're welcome. You know what they paid me? A whole bunch of beer. You know, as one final side note, I would like to comment. I used to have faith in my little diode tester. Maybe not now after I ran 12 volts through it, but I used to believe that it would tell me the diode was failed. 581, I don't know, seems to be right. How much resistance should a diode have? And this way, nothing. So, you'd think that's a good sign, right? Well, replace this part, and only this part, and the system seems to be working again. There you go, the light's on. Perfect. What do you know? Thanks for watching.